We just don't know where this fur is, okay?
Is my eyelashes good? Yeah, because one of the videos was not good.
It's raining outside like big time. Make sure my hair is good, you know?
Okay, so if you want to see how I turn this into this, ooh, then just keep watching. Look what you done. I'm a motherfucking star boy. Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we are here with a very quick video, as you can tell by the title, duh. You can see I'm in my tank top because I'm really wanting these summertime to come. We want those summertime vibes. So even though we are locked up right now, it feels like locked up, right? Locked up, they won't let me out. But even though we're locked up in our house because of the coronavirus or whatever, we can go ahead and do ourselves some DIYs really quick. This is not a new DIY. Y'all probably already seen this before. But just in case y'all haven't, we're going to be doing our own fur slides. Now, the only thing is I did buy the fur before the coronavirus stuff happened, so it might be kind of hard for you to get your hands on it. Jeez, what happened to it? Even though it might be kind of hard for you to get your hands on some fur, you can go online and find some. If I remember to look, I'll try to leave a link down in the description below. But just know I didn't buy from there, so I'll try to get it off Amazon because Amazon's very trusted. And if your product doesn't come, like, they're very quick to get your money back to you. So I would try to find some fur on Amazon. But it might not be the cheapest out there, but yeah, just know that. Okay, so yeah, I did get this outside before the coronavirus and stuff, so I will import a clip right now of me actually going to Joann's to go get it. Okay,
Guys, so I'm here at Burlington right now, and for this DIY, you're gonna need a pair of slides, and I've chose, let me see if I can turn this around. These, and they're only like $14, so they're gas. And I don't even like this iridescent on here, but these are what we're gonna use because you're not gonna even see it. So and I'm a size 8, so that is what I'm going to get. But there's like other ones too, like if you want it pink, at least at my store they have. Oh, and I also picked these ones up, but I don't think I'm gonna use them. But yeah, I might come back for them. But these are cute. I wouldn't even want to like mess them up, so I'm getting ones that I know I probably won't wear so that I actually do this DIY. But there's like Pumas here, very, very cute ones. But we got ours, which is these cuties. They felt so comfortable too, guys. Like, oh my god, so comfortable. And yeah, so let's go ahead and switch over to us going to the other store to get the fabric. So we are here to go to Joann's, as you can see. Joann's, and we are coming to get some fabric. So I'm not sure if they're open yet or not, but hopefully they are. It says it's open, so hopefully it is. Pretty sure no one comes this early. Oh, yep, it is open. Okay. Get up. Hey. Okay. So yeah, it's open. We come to the fabric area. We're gonna try to find the fur because we're making furry slides. Duh. So not really sure where it's at, but we're gonna try to find it. I think I see it. I think it's right here. So there is black and there is white. This is a little bit smaller than I thought, so I'm gonna kind of look around more. I'm pretty sure they have more furry than this, so let's just keep looking. Wow, they really don't have furry for her. Wow. Oh, is this it? Oh, this might work. Oh yeah, here it is. Okay. Boom. Oh, look at this one. I really like this one. I wasn't really intending to do gray, but this is kind of the fur. I kind of how furry this one is. That's what I want. This one's pretty furry, but not like super duper furry. So this one's kind of an off-white, like that. This one's like off-white too. I don't really like off-white because it just like it makes it look dirty. But I really like this one. I almost kind of want to make it gray now. Oh, this one's kind of good. This one's good. I think this kind of look the same. So I think I'm gonna do this one. Sorry guys. I think I'm gonna do this one. I'm not sure the price of this one, but I'm probably only gonna do 1 yard. I'm probably only gonna need 1 yard of it. I wonder if I could do a half a yard because I really don't need that much. But we're just gonna go with it. So okay guys, so I found the price, and this is, hold on guys, sorry, is, as you see, $39.99, so $40 per yard. I'm gonna see if they can cut it in like a quarter of a yard or something like that, because we don't really need much, so we're gonna see.
So now we're back to the present. All you're gonna need is your slides of choice, fur, and E6000 glue. I don't know how many yards of fur I got. I can't remember, but I think I did put it in the clip, so hopefully y'all remember how much yards I got. But yeah, I got E6000 glue. This glue is very strong, so I haven't actually used it myself yet, but I just hear it's very strong, so just be very careful with it. Make sure you don't get it on your skin. But I got plenty of fur to like make a lot of slides, so like that's not a problem. So and you're gonna need some scissors, of course. So that is all you're gonna need for this DIY. So let's go ahead and get to the point of us actually making these fur slides. Okay, I put a towel down so that the fur, when I cut it, doesn't get everywhere, because it will after you cut. It's gonna shed somewhat. I got the slides here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the tag. And then I got my E6000 glue, which is right here, and my scissors. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by measuring how much fur I want. And so of course we're going to have to cut it. So I'm just going to measure from side to side, making sure I cover that iridescent there. There's the iridescent, and then I'm going to cover that, and then I'm going to go all the way around and just see where it kind of stops. And that is where we're going to cut. take the E6000 glue, clean our surface off of the fur, and I'm going to try to do this half at a time. Okay, and then we take our beautiful fur, ooh, brush it down, okay, and then try not to touch the glue. Remember, I did half of it first, and then I'm going to try to carefully place this, because after you place it, you're not going to be able to move it. So okay, maybe you can still move it, but just look at it like you don't want to move it too much. Okay, and there we go. There goes half. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it over and do the other half. Easy peasy. And now, as you can see, I have some excess, so we're going to cut that off. I don't want to lose all my fur, so I'm going to push it up. And then we're just going to cut that excess off. Trying not to cut too much where you might end up losing too much where you can't cover up the iridescent or whatever slides you have. So there we go. And then now we can fluff it out how we want to. Try to push that down. And just remember, the glue hasn't fully dried yet, so you're not going to want to wear these yet until at least 24 hours. If better, try, so it's not sticking right here, so I'm going to add more glue. I might have added too much actually, but try to leave it as long as possible so that you can just make sure that the glue dries. I'm going to leave it for probably like, honestly, like 2 to 4 days. 2 to 4 days. Because I'm not going to really want to wear this anytime soon. But I will be wearing them for sure. Alright. Alright, so we are done with the fur slides. Come through. Come through, slides. Show your awesomeness. Yes. Yes. She is fire, okay? Okay, so that is it for this DIY. It was very quick, sweet, to the point. So make sure if you like it, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe. Of course, I post every single week for y'all, okay? And that is it. So I will see y'all guys in the next one. Bye.